Hi, and welcome to Longview Public Library's tutorial for the Database Universal class. This is offered through a subscription the library has for its users, and in order to access it, you would go to longviewtexas.gov/library, and you can click on the databases link right here, or you can click on the resources tab and you see databases A to Z. So we click on that. And these databases are listed alphabetically, so Universal Class is going to be at the end. So we'll scroll down all the way at the bottom, and then we can click on the link to go to the website. For new users who have not registered yet, you would enter your library card number here, and then click go. Once you go to the registration page, you can enter your email address, which will be your username, your first and last name, and you'll be asked to create a new password just for this website. I have already registered, so I'm going to click sign in. Okay, and I'll sign in. So when you first sign in, it takes you to the My Classes tab. And this is where you can see all the classes you registered for. You can also see your tools over here on the left side on the sidebar, where you can see My Classes, your achievements, your profile, any contacts you've gained from classes you've taken previously, as well as your Universal Class email. And you also have a link for your account options here at the very bottom. These links are also available on your profile button up here in the top right corner. The other tool menu that is available in the header for the website is the hamburger menu, and that's going to give you even more information about your account. It allows you to manage your classes, to update your settings and your information, change your password, and to access your account options. You can also view the certificates and the CEUs that you've earned as you use this resource. You can also withdraw from classes on this menu. If you click Manage Courses, you can withdraw from course. Now, you do want to keep in mind that if you withdraw from a course, you cannot rejoin that course for 60 days. The other important tab that you will access is going to be your course catalog tab. This is where you can either find a course you're interested in by searching, or you can browse through the different subjects that they offer. If you wanted to learn a new craft and hobby, you could take Cake Decorating 101. When you click on a class, it gives you a lot of good information about what is available in that class. So for instance, cake decorating, you would have 18 lessons, 30 exams and assignments. It's going to take about 14 hours on average to complete, and you would earn 1.4 continuing education units if you completed this course. If you scroll down, you'll get a lot of good information like the course description, related courses, a rating with even more details about the different lessons and what you'll be learning. So there's a lot of good information on each class's course description page. If you decide you wanted to take it, you click Join this course. Now, some classes give you an option as to which type of course you join. You could take the more involved certificate class and get a certificate at the end, or you can join the video-only course and watch the videos. Some courses only offer one option. This one offers both. So I'll click Join Certificate Class, and there it pops up under My Classes with my progress on each side. And you can enter the course when you want to work on your lessons. It gives you these announcements at the top to help you get started. And there's only one lesson that's open. You do have to finish this lesson before you move on to the next one. Also on this page, you see that there is a report card for when you start earning grades. Universal Class offers a how to take an online course for those who have never taken online classes before, and it walks you through how to use this resource. A few other things to keep in mind is that each course does have an instructor, so if you have questions or you need guidance, you can take advantage of your instructor's knowledge. You can go at your own pace within each course. You can go as fast or as slow as you want, as long as it is completed within 6 months. If you need help with this or any other resource the library offers on their website, please feel free to give us a call at 903-237-1350.